On Ninamark, we have got a score of 52.3 FPS, which means that you can actually use this device for high definition gaming as well, and you can play high definition games on this device, and we will show you that. Let's take a look over the hardware information, and here we have the system information. The model number of this device is YU5010, and as you can see, it has got a 64-bit processor inside, Snapdragon 410, MSM 8916, and it is a quad-core CPU. Let's take a look over the display, and the display resolution is 720x1184, because some part of the display resolution is actually affected by these touch capacitive buttons, but they will give you a full screen experience because they automatically hide themselves in case you are playing a game or watching a video. You do have Adreno 306 GPU, which is also pretty good in terms of gaming. And here we have the sensors, which includes the light sensor. You also have magnetic field sensor as well on this device. Gyroscope sensor is there, accelerometer, proximity, magnetic field sensor another is there, and again you do have orientation, rotation vector, gravity and linear acceleration sensor. So in terms of sensors, it does have the kind of sensor you would need on a phone which is 7,000 rupees on the price. Now let's take a look over the audio video playback quality, and we will also find out how good the viewing angles are, especially when you play a high definition video, and we are playing it from our YouTube video channel. So the YouTube video is getting played, and this is a high definition video. Let me see at what resolution it is getting played. So it is getting played at 360p. Let me just turn on 720p. So now the video is getting played at 720p, as you can see, and once I hold it like this, the sound will get amplified. We will just find out the overall volume of sound which comes out from the loudspeaker, which is at the back side of this phone, which is again not a very good design, but it does not get muffled completely when you place it on a table with a flat surface, which is a good thing, I would say. And it is pretty loud in terms of the overall volume of sound you can actually expect from this phone. So I would say it is pretty loud for a device like this. And in terms of viewing angles, if you take a look over the viewing angles of this video, you can see the display from this angle as well as from this angle. However, there is slight amount of color fading which is happening, but the display is visible from these wide angles, which is definitely a good thing. On Antutu, we have got a score of 22108, which is also a very impressive score, I would say. And this device, in terms of day-to-day usage and performance, is good enough. The overall UI is pretty fluid. I do not notice any lag, and thanks to the 2 GB of RAM which we have on this one, which again makes sure that the device is responsive most of the time and it is functioning smoothly.